1968 Camaro here. Nice looking coupe, black vinyl top and butternut yellow. And yes, that is the correct colors on this car. Is a Y-2 color code on the data tag. So we got butternut yellow, black vinyl top, and I believe it was what, 713, excuse me, 712 it would have been on the interior. So it would be black vinyl standard bucket seats. So this car is sitting very original the way it would have came from Chevrolet back in 1968. See the front bumper, chrome looks good on it. It's a pretty original looking car. Has had a repaint along the way, and I'll point out I did see a few blemishes. I kind of point out as I go along here. And if you want to check out the still pictures, you take your time, look through the still pictures, zoom in on them, check them out. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pictures. And of course, call us if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, original engine to this car, 327, is a numbers matching. We'll fire it up. We'll get around to the other side. I'll show you the interior and we'll start this up. So original numbers matching, and suffix code on the block would be ME. So that was originally paired up with an automatic, and that's what this has in it yet. Power glide, automatic transmission. Now, as you can see, it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches up and down the side of it. I did notice this one right down here, and I got a close-up picture of it too. If I can kind of get that to show up in the video here. And then there is one spot in the back where it's had a little touch-up, but you can kind of see that. It's been touched up right there. But overall, nice showing car. Be a good one for any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Fun one to take out and drive. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email. As you can see, Cooper Cobra radials and riding on the kind of stock style rally wheels. Vinyl top on this car appears to be in nice shape. And again, in the still pictures, it's probably 80 to 100 pictures of this car from the underside, interior, vinyl top, engine bay. Once again, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. And the driver's side looks good also. Don't see a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches up and down it. Did notice one little touch-up spot here too, just up by the windshield wiper. And again, the paint matches fine, just a little touch-up. Someone's taking care of this. Interior very stock, a horseshoe shifter, and it does have a classic sounds radio to it. And I believe there was in the trunk pictures you'll see a cord running back there. I think you could hook up a CD changer back there if you wanted to and run it off this head unit. But yeah, AM FM radio, and that does work. Also played around a little bit. Wipers work on this one. Now, like I said, interior, this door panel appears to be original. And when I was looking at these seats, just kind of by the age and the type of vinyl, they appear that they are stock also. Now, of course, you have the two seat belts on each side, which you can see there. So, of course, you have the shoulder belts that would come down off the roof where they are fastened to. So that's why you see that set of 4 seat belts there. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to hop in this. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. And again, 327 numbers matching. Fuel gauge appears to work. There's that classic sound stereo, and that does work. Get that working earlier. Dash, not dry rotted or sun baked or anything like that. Appears to be in nice shape. And again, that headliner and everything was good shape there. Rear seats also appear to be original, in nice shape. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. No rumble coming out of that 327. Nothing crazy or over the top as far as cam or loud exhaust. Alright, I'm going to come up to the front. Let's pause this a second, pop the hood, see how it looks underneath there. Alright, there's the numbers matching, 327. And again, you can see where it's clearly stamped, VIN and everything, and that's in the pictures also. Power steering. Again, it appears very stock underneath the hood too. So very original looking car. That's how it came from General Motors in '68. Of course, these first gen Camaros always popular, especially when you got one that's very original how it would have came. Numbers matching, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to bring you right to the website and our pictures. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.